Windows 7 look more like a Mac. So you're going to need these three things. You're going to need to download these three things. So first website you want to go to is custopack.com. I'll have these two websites in the description. You just want to click download here and download the Custopack tools. Then you also want to go to the Custopack gallery and download the Mac OS X Line Inspirat. You just want to click download here and download that. Then you also want to go to themypc.com/category/packs, which I'll have in the description, and scroll down and you want to download this Lion UX Pack 1.1. Just click on it and just click download there. As long as you've got those, you should be good. So you're gonna want to run the Mac OS X Line Inspirat. You just want to run that, and you just want to click yes. And it might install Custopack tools, but I already have it installed because I've done this before. So yeah, just want to wait for it to come up. This is the easiest way I've found. I've kind of added two different ways people showed on YouTube and added them together to make one awesome one. So you want to go choose a pack if yours opens like this, or it could open just like this normally. You could just open like this, and once it's finished this, you just want to click selection of options and installation. You just want to go full installation, next step, and install. And you're just going to want to wait for this to install. Shouldn't take over 2 minutes, and I'll be back with you once it's done. So after letting it install, it's kinda come up with this please wait. And by the way, if you're looking at the time on my screen, it really didn't take that long. I just had to go do something. So you see how it looks a bit like a Mac, but it hasn't finished the folders and everything, and it's got clear up here. Can't really change that. So it's gonna ask you to restart your computer. You just want to do that, and once I've done that, I will get back with you. So I am back and I've just logged on and I haven't touched anything. This is what it'll look like when you first log on. So it's changed the folders to the kind of Mac folders. It's got the bar up here, but we'll fix that later. And so you want to get this LUXP, which I made you download at the start, and you want to get 7-zip or WinRAR and just extract it to your desktop. There's only one file in there. So now you'll have this. You're just going to want to run this. And click left side OS X caption style and untick set Windows X Live as default homepage. And just click install. And it's normal for everything on your desktop to disappear, and you're just gonna want to wait for this to install, and it'll just do its own thing. And basically what this is gonna do is it's gonna change these bars up, like the bars on everything, from clear to the actual grey like in Mac OS X, and it's gonna put the bar up the top here like Mac, and yeah, it's gonna do this. So you just wanna wait as you did before, and yeah, it should be all good. So yeah, you just wanna wait, sit tight, don't touch anything, don't click anywhere. So now it's brought up here, and it's gonna start loading everything back up. And see, we've got this go away. So you see we've got this bar up the top here. And just gonna wait for it to load everything. It's got the search kind of thing here, which is just calendar, time here. You've got your Wi-Fi or internet here. You've got your volume here, which actually sounds like Mac. And then you've got this little ejection thing here, which is your add-ons. So this is what it looks like, and when we open stuff, our buttons will also be on the left side here instead of the right, and also everything's grey like Mac. So on your desktop, on your desktop, you just want to hold Control and scroll up on your mouse, and it should make your icons a little bigger, and just make them till you feel comfortable, like they look a bit like a Mac. So I'm just gonna, you can delete this stuff, don't need it. Actually don't delete that, just put it somewhere, I'll just put it in there. So this is actually your start bar, works normally, and yeah, so there's some things you're gonna want to do. You can actually edit this. Safari is just going to be Internet Explorer, so you just you can drag stuff and it'll get rid of it on here. That's just going to show you everything on your desktop. This is just, I actually have no idea what that is. Oh, my documents. So you can keep that there if you want. This is going to be control panel, my computer obviously. It's going to show stuff there. This will take you to here, your home. So I want to go on my downloads, and you can change your wallpaper if you like. I think this wallpaper is pretty cool, so I keep that one. So there's some dock settings you're going to want to do. So you want to right click on the dock and go dock settings. You want to make sure that's at the bottom and always on top. Now you can mess around with this edge offsetting, see it's going to change where it is down the bottom. I like mine just before the bottom. And icons, you're going to mess around with this because I don't like the zoom that much, so I changed my zoom to 28 pixels. Looks a bit better. I also changed the size of them down to about, the size of it down to about 48. That's what I like. And if you're wanting it is just laggy because it's Camtasia. It works fine normally. You want to make sure running application indicators is ticked and open running applications instance is ticked, and run at startup is ticked, and I don't know what that does. So what else? Just keep the style the same. You can change it if you like. Don't really need to change anything in here. So you can just press OK, and I'm just gonna remove the stuff on here that I don't want. And Launchpad, by the way, you'll see in a second once it launches, is just this. It's pretty cool. It's all your folders and stuff on your start menu when you go all programs actually. So that's pretty cool. So to add stuff, you just drag it on, so you can add some Minecraft. What else could we add? We could add Google Chrome. And also, if you don't want this little bar here, which annoys me, just go right click on it, delete, and it's gone. What other stuff can I add on here? Just trying to think. Fraps can add onto there. There we go. Anything in here I might want to add? Not really. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. What else can I show you? Oh yeah, this also comes with a cool thing if you go to the eject button up here. Not that just puts stuff in there, no idea what that does. Desktop 1. So basically this is like a normal Mac, so I'm just gonna bring Camtasia up to I don't know why it's like that. I'm just actually not gonna bring it up. Let's just say, let's bring up text edit, which is Notepad, by the way. So you'll see that this stuff goes on the right, but that's fine. So basically, if you hold Control, if you do Control plus Alt on your keyboard, and then either an arrow that way, up or down, basically. Any of the arrows, it switch plus Control Alt. It switches let's get that up. Switches desktop. So if I hold Control Alt and go to my right, I have a new desktop and I can open say Minecraft on this desktop. And if I go Control Alt right, I'm back with my Camtasia and also my Notepad. Control Alt down, new one, Control Alt up to get back there, Control Alt right, and I'm on my Minecraft. So I thought that's pretty cool, and you can have multiple things open, which could be very useful in instances. So I'm gonna just drag a couple more things down here, like my downloads and my documents. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that because it doesn't have an icon. Because I open up my downloads a lot. So yeah, everything looks like a Mac, and if you want it to look even more like a Mac, change all your places to tiles, which I think I already did. Nope, tiles. And it'll just look a lot more like a Mac, I guess you could say. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will be keeping this theme on my computer, so you'll see this on all my tutorials. And I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!